Hey Nancy, since we were just recording that video, we've encountered another permutation of that problem, which Bonnie says is pretty unusual. But if we go to click on McGraw-Hill Higher Education and we see that the course is connected, and we try to, for example, let's say I wanted to go to my Connect section, it just takes us to another sign-in. And it used to just seamlessly go from Blackboard to McGraw-Hill. You didn't have to do multiple sign-ins to get access to stuff. So now we are kind of blocked from actually accessing that material, even though it says it's paired. So I don't know if maybe you can help us with that too. I think that's a challenge. And if we go back to my institution, we go to the master for the course, and we try to repair the master, we have the same problem. So if we go to pair the section, it treats us like we're a new user and we need a login. So I'm hoping that you can help us figure that one out too. Thanks.